Let's discover Nook's adventure at the Wasteland Park. Like any other kid, Nook found ways to play and have fun. This is Hello. He welcomes everyone who wants to play at the Wasteland Park. Say hi when you see him. The arrival. Everyone who arrives at the Wasteland Park is full of excitement and anticipation. Oh, vitality! Vitality is the quality of being energetic, lively, or having the power to live and grow, even on wastelands. The patroller. The patroller guards the wasteland. He ensures everyone is safe. Nook loves camping. With his cat friend, he enjoys cooking at the park. Do you like camping too? Join Nook and his friend. Let's go hide and seek. Wasteland Park is perfect to camouflage. Play hide and seek with friends. Now, let's go fishing. Here at Wasteland Park, there are ponds full of fish. Catch some, and you'll never go hungry.